Yo, what up? My name is Vladimir Riché from ChaseandButter.com. And in this video, I'm going to teach you the Quincy, but you can call me GQ. Not because it's my initials, but because I stay sharp. So I'm like GQ, you know? Anyway, in this video, that's GQ to you, fam. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to always stay fly so you can look just like me.
But what if they don't want to look like you though, fam?
Don't be a hater. Skinny tie, check. Skinny lapels, check. Contrast buttonholes, check. Man, this fashion thing is easy, man. I'm the fashion king. I do this in my sleep. Easy. GQ.
Y'all are in trouble if you're taking style advice from this guy.
Like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, in this video I'm going to teach you the 8 menswear hacks in 90 seconds. Gary, pay attention. Run my intro.
You can't be serious, man.
Run my intro, man.
How'd you get in here anyway, man?
You should come rolling my shit.
8 menswear hacks in 90 seconds. Let's go. 1. Fit is king. If your suit don't fit, nothing else matters. 2. Put your shoes first. 3. Your suit should always be darker than your shirt. I see guys wearing brown shirts or burgundy shirts with like a light gray suit. You really don't want to do that. You want to keep your shirt lighter than the suit that you got on. 4. Your collar points should be long enough to be hidden under your jacket's lapels. 5. Wear a pocket square. The pocket of your jacket is there for a reason. 6. Wear a watch, but keep the face small. You're not a rapper. 7. Use a 4-in-hand knot. Take your double Windsors and throw them out the window. You don't want the size of your knot to be competing with the size of your head. And last but not least, number 8. Use suspenders instead of a belt. You don't have to worry about adjusting them throughout the day as your waist expands, and also your pants will drape better. So that was my 8 menswear hacks in 90 seconds. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe or everybody gonna think that you a hater, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.